Good morning, students. 7th class students, today we'll study about tenses. Tense is a form of verb that gives the relation between time and action. Time means duration of work. Action means work done. There are three phases of time: present, past, future. For example, Harry eats a mango. Here, Harry is a subject, eats is a verb, and a mango is a object. So, Harry eats a mango means, and in the present tense, he is eating a mango. Harry ate a mango. Harry ate a mango means he has already eaten the mango. Harry will eat a mango means Harry will eat in future. So it comes under future tense. Each sentence above has different meaning. All the above sentences show different forms of verbs. These different forms of verbs are called tenses. There are three tenses: present, past, future, and all of them are having four forms: indefinite, continuous, and present perfect and present perfect continuous, and similarly in past also and in future also. Now we'll study about present tense. Now simple present tense or indefinite. So here subject plus first form of verb plus s plus es plus object. So I sing a song. I is a subject here, and sing is a first form of verb, and a song is an object. So here we have to keep in mind that in simple present first form of verb will be used. Now second is present continuous tense. So same here, the subject is there, is mr is there. We have to use is mr here. First form of verb ing plus object. So mainly we have to remember that wherever continuous is there, ing will be used. That we have to keep in mind. For example, I am singing a song. Sing becomes here singing. So ing we are using here. That is why it becomes present continuous tense. Now next one is present perfect. Here perfect means present perfect means the work has already been done. So subject plus has, have plus third form of verb plus object. I have sung a song. So means I have already sung a song. So here we have to keep in mind third form of verb is used here in present perfect. Now fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus has, have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for plus object. For example, I have been singing a song since 2 in the afternoon. So here we have to keep in mind that has or have been is used here, and since and for since we use exact date, year or time, and for we used for duration or period. For example, since 1965, since 4 pm, since 26 January, and for 10 years, for 5 years, for 28 days. So all these sentences given here, all these examples given here are in the first person. I encourage all the students to write their own sentences in the second and third person for practice. Thank you so much.